Welcome to the channel, guys. We got some heavy loader to work, but we've got a hole in our tire. So we've aired this up to find the leak, but it's pretty obvious. See if you can get that out of there, bud. There we go.
Whoa.
So we got the old nail in the tire. If there's a nail anywhere, I'm pretty good at finding it in my tires. So let me show you what I've got to fix that with.
That's making pretty good bends.
Yep. So I don't get any money out of this. This is just something I picked up on Amazon. But this is a plug repair kit. And I keep it in the bag because it keeps it from getting all dirty and dusty and muddy. Tire's still making a racket. So this is what it comes with. It doesn't come with these. I just throw these in because I've got them in my pickup and in my Jeep. I don't really like the ones it comes with. But it's got a core tool, some spare Schrader valves, these blackjack tire repairs. I don't know, these are pretty good ones. I don't get paid to say that. I just think these ones work much better than these junky ones they come with. But overall, for very cheap, this kit comes with your reamer, comes with your plug installer, comes with some lubricant, and let me show you how this works. So these tires are a lot tougher than, let me get you guys in here a little bit. So these tires are a lot tougher than your typical car tires are. So we kind of got to find the path of the nail. This one's at a pretty good angle. And we're just going to ream that really good. Okay. Now, I got to do that part chain. That's going to be real hard to push in. Yeah. You just stay back now. So this sticky stuff that's on here, you got to kind of get it through that. And I usually use pliers at that point. I like to keep one of these kits in the Jeep, the pickup, keep it in the shop. And I don't know that this is a fully legal, highway repair, but it works really well.
Yeah.
So you see we've got our plug in there, and that glue is going to kind of set up. We're going to get some glass cleaner, bud. See if so that shot that guy in and pulled out. Sometimes you'll get both tails will come out. I think I just got one, but that's gonna probably work. I have, let's see. There we are. Little DeWalt pump's handy. So we're not leaking. And here is an old plug. And we're not leaking there. So these things work. That one's been in there like a year. Okay, guys.
Hi. Yeah. We just came out to the put some strawberries today, and these are strawberries now. If you guys don't know what strawberries are, this is a strawberry. And you eat them, and they taste yummy. You can just plant them right here. It's very yummy. This is a red with the strawberry. I have more strawberries. Strawberries. More strawberries. More strawberries and more strawberries. This is another strawberry I closed up when I pulled it up. Here underground, they grow underground. These are all the strawberries that I pick every day.